Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use ClickUp for project management. So, if you're interested in managing projects effortlessly with ClickUp, in this guide I will walk you through everything you need to know to get set up and working efficiently with ClickUp, covering everything from account setup to workspace customization. So, you can start by signing up using the link in the description, which will direct you to ClickUp's main page. So the first step is downloading and installing ClickUp. Navigate to any browser on a PC, go to the search bar, type in ClickUp, hit enter. Now, navigate to the link that says ClickUp, one app to replace them all. Here, what you'll have to do is click on the sign up button and sign up for an account using your work email. So follow the prompts and sign up on ClickUp. After you do this, go back to another tab, search for ClickUp and click on this download link. After this, you'll have to simply scroll down and click on this download button after Windows if you're a Windows user. You can also download ClickUp on Mac by clicking on this button. So download ClickUp on your desired platform, and after downloading, you'll have to navigate to your downloads and open the ClickUp setup. So double click it and it is automatically going to install ClickUp onto your PC. So we'll open the ClickUp application. You will see an interface that will look something like this. Here, you can sign up, and if you already have an account, simply type in that email and password here and click on login. Now after you log into ClickUp, you will see a dashboard that will look something like this. Now after you sign in, you will see a page that will look something like this. Here, ClickUp will ask you, what will you use this workspace for? So choose your workspace requirement. I'm going to choose work. Now choose how many people will you be working with. After this, choose what would you like to manage. Here you can invite people to your workspace or simply click on I'm done, and you can choose whether you use any one of these tools. So if you do, select them and click on next. After this, choose which features are you interested in trying. Then click on next and enter your workspace name. Then click on finish. After you click on finish, you'll be successfully logged into your workspace. As you can see, this is my workspace where I can manage my project. So first, let's set up your profile by clicking on your avatar in the top right corner of the screen. Here, you can update your avatar image, display name, email address, as well as change your account's passcode for added security. So here you can mute notifications or click here and select the duration for muting. Now you can click on set status and choose whether you're in meeting, sick, on vacation or active. After doing this, you can click on profile and you'll be able to see your activity, work and assigned then calendar of your profile. You can also navigate to settings and edit your name, email, enter a new password or choose to enable 2FA. You can also choose your theme's color, language and region, time and date format, and preferences. So customizing your profile is optional, but it can make your workspace feel uniquely yours. And it can add an extra touch, more appeal to your profile when you're working with other people on ClickUp. Now let's jump into setting up your first workspace. In the left hand panel, click on the name of the workspace that you already have, or you can simply click on the new workspace button here. Select here and click on this plus new icon that is new workspace. After this, create a workspace that you want and you will see a page that will look something like this. Now these are the views for this workspace. So if you would want a board view, you can click on board and your workspace will look something like this. You can click on plus view icon and select various kind of views available. So you have list, Gantt, calendar, doc, board and table view for your project. Now in each workspace, you can create projects, also known as spaces in ClickUp. You can start by clicking the plus icon that is create space and enter an icon or name. Then choose an icon by clicking here, selecting a color or an icon. Now place your cursor here and enter this space name. You can add a description, it is optional. You can make this board private so that only you and your invited members have the access. You can click on this plus icon and add other members that you want to share this space with. Now, you can click on use templates and you'll be able to see various kind of templates that is available in ClickUp for your spaces. For example, if you do agency management, you can select this template, then click on use template. After this, you'll have to enter your space name, choose whether you want to import everything or customized import items like automations, views, and the tasks. So you can choose what tasks do you want in your space. You can remap dates by selecting this or import as it is. Also include archived tasks by choosing this and click on Use Template. After you click on Use Template, it is going to import that template on your project. So while our template is loading, we can see that inside the workspace, we can add tasks. So these are task name. Simply place your cursor here and add a task like creating content. Now hit enter and that task will be instantly created. Now you can click on this plus icon and assign this task to yourself or the people who will be in your team. You can click on due date and select a due date for this task, that is a deadline for this task. You can click on priority button and select the priority of this task, whether it is urgent to finish this or the priority is normal. You can also click on this three-dotted icon, rename this task, add this task to another list, your favorite or personal list. You can convert this task to a list or subtask. You can also select the task type, whether it is a task or a milestone. You can duplicate this task, get a reminder for this task, send email to task, or move this task to other board. You can also archive this task by selecting this or click on delete and that task will be deleted. So we have created these three tasks. Now, when I click on this board view, as you can see, the task appears like boards in this view. You can also click on plus view and select a view, for example, Gantt, and now my task will look something like this. So that way you can add as much tasks as you want on your ClickUp. Now you can click on any one of these tasks and see the detailed options here. You can set deadlines, prioritize this task, and add descriptions. ClickUp lets you add customized fields, checklists, subtasks, attachments, and comments to each task. If you need a specific tagging or a sprint points for project tracking, you can adjust these here. Along with time tracking for accurate reporting, additionally, you can add dependencies and assign team members to ensure a smooth collaboration just from this page. So this is a page that represents a single task. So you can edit this anyhow you prefer and cut this out. So this is how ClickUp works. You have this workspace button here where you can switch workspaces, do the settings for workspace, upgrade to a pro plan, or when you click on app, you can navigate to ClickUp's App Center. So ClickUp's App Center supports multiple integrations to help streamline the project flow. For example, you can connect Google Drive for document storage, link Slack for real-time communication and notification, and integrate to calendars to keep track of deadlines. For those managing multiple projects, analytics and reporting tools offer insights on productivity. The workspace also includes dashboard with customizable widgets to visualize team progress. So you can use these apps and integrate to upgrade your workflow. So ClickUp is a powerful tool for organized and effective project management. Whether you're a solo user or managing a team, try out different templates, integrate with your favorite app, and customize your workspace to see what works best for you. Let us know in the comments which features you are most interested in, and don't forget to like, share, and thanks for watching.